morning, everyone. It is not afternoon, it is morning. This is KIT Iizuka here on Thursday, second period, May the 8th. May the 8th, so that means that next week and the week after that we have a class, and then we skip a week. We skip May 29th because that will be Tuesday classes, and the next class after that will be your midterm test. We don't have much longer until the test. Now the test basically will be all of the things that we've studied up to that point. That's the vocabulary, the reading assignments, the listening assignments, and the vocabulary quizzes. If you did okay on those three types of quizzes, if you were okay, listening, vocabulary, and reading, this little test will be not a problem. But because there's a listening section, okay, you have to make sure that you already do, most of you pretty much bring your own laptop computer, but make sure that you also bring your earphones or headsets. It doesn't matter if they're Bluetooth wireless like this or if they have cables, but you have to make sure that they're working, and you do that before class, and also make sure that you can have power, or at least your battery is good, because we will be doing the test on your computer. You cannot do this test at home. You have to be in the room, so please make sure you're here and you have your headphones and you have your computer. Okay, that will be on June 6th. Until then, we have today, the 15th and the 22nd, to finish up the first half of the class. Now, let's see here. This is the video that this video right now I will put in here. I checked on the Quizlet problem that we had last week, and it was some strange problem between the university and the links that were between Quizlet. In any case, it works fine now. I just checked on my own phone. I checked on the Wi-Fi. It should be okay, so we can do that again today. Next on the order is that you have the chapter answers for the homework I gave you last week. So you can download all of these answers from the answer pages themselves. Use that to study for the test, because there will also be questions on that on the test. So make sure that you download that. And continuing on, you have another homework submission. So this is the same thing. Take a picture, send it up to this homework submission, and that's for the homework for this week. And the answers for that will be available next week. So for example, here's the reading quiz, number 1. I want you to read something. Once you start the quiz, you have 40 minutes to answer this one, because you have to read and answer questions. You have 40 minutes to answer the questions, and that will be due on May 18th. Okay, Sunday, May 18th, so a little while from now, 10 days from now. And you always have your reflection. And with your reflections, again, write it down on paper, take a picture of it, send it up. If any of this is confusing to you or have any questions about anything, please make sure that you come and talk to me, or send me, I've shown you before, my email is always up here at the top. I also wanted to go over what we did last week. We didn't do that much. Now let me take that to here. Basically, this is the communication I want you to do for the Quizlet, which we'll do again today. I have it, I don't have it. And when you're trying to find everybody, say, who is a giraffe, who is a lion, all of that. Also, too, I wanted to show you, where are we here? There we are. We're going to try to practice some of these sentences that I found in your homework, okay? I grew up in Yamaguchi, but I moved to Fukuoka when I was 5. That, for example, that sentence is actually here in your homework answers. Right here. Oh, no, wait, that's the wrong one. I think it was this one. No, that's not it either, sorry. Oh, did I throw it out? Okay, sorry. I don't have it here, but that's from your homework, and that's something that we can practice while we're here. Okay, that was page 13, interview SW. Was it here? No, it wasn't here. Page 13, SW. No, it wasn't. Okay, we'll look at it a little bit later. Okay, so let's get on with the work, everybody. Let's have a good class.